Python find elements in one list that are not in the other. I need to compare two lists in order to create a new list of specific elements found in one list but not in the other. For example, I want to loop through list_1 and append to main_list all the elements from list_2 that are not found in list_1. The result should be. How can I do it with Python?
TL, Doctor. Solution, 1. Solution, 2, you want a sorted list. Explanations. 1. You can use numpy's setDef1d, array1, array2, assume_unique equals false. Assume_unique asks the user if the arrays are already unique. If false, then the unique elements are determined first. If true, the function will assume that the elements are already unique and function will skip determining the unique elements. This yields the unique values in array1 that are not in array2. Assume_unique is false by default. If you are concerned with the unique elements, based on the response of Chinny84, then simply use, where assume_unique equals false equals, the default value. Two, for those who want answers to be sorted, I've made a custom function. To get the answer, run. Side notes. A. Solution 2, custom function setDef_sorted, returns a list, compared to an array in solution 1. B. If you aren't sure if the elements are unique, just use the default setting of numpy's setDef1d in both solutions A and B. What can be an example of a complication? C note, C. Things will be different if either of the two lists is not unique. Say list_2 is not unique, list2 equals, A, F, C, M. Keep list1 as is, list_1 equals, A, B, C, D, E. Setting the default value of assume_unique yields, F, M, in both solutions. However, if you set assume_unique equals true, both solutions give, F, M, Y. This is because the user assumed that the elements are unique. Hence, it is better to keep assume_unique to its default value. Note that both answers are sorted. Python numpy.
You can use sets. Output. Per Jonkelman's comment, here is a tidier version.
Use a list comprehension like this. Output. Edit. Like mentioned in the comments below, with large lists, the above is not the ideal solution. When that's the case, A better option would be converting list_1 to a set first.
Not sure why the above explanations are so complicated when you have native methods available.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.